Yeah, this is your guy, PROF.POZO FOREX, the best place you can find in the Forex market, the best analysis ever you can find. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've just started and I'm ready to give you the best of analysis. So let's look at BTC for now. Let's look at BTC. So what I usually do is I look at my weekly analysis, the weekly charts. So this is my weekly chart. Let me remove this for you to see. So this is my weekly chart, the weekly time frame. So many people don't know this, but BTC is following a trend line. BTC is following a trend line, and someone like this, I wouldn't buy or sell in the middle of the trend line like this. I wouldn't do that. I'll wait. I know where to buy Bitcoin. But let me guide you so that you can also use it to track Bitcoin and to know when the trend is likely to reverse. So let me do something for you. So let's draw a trend line. Let's draw this trend line. Let's draw this trend line. As you can see, you can see for yourself that Bitcoin is following a trend line. This is the weekly time frame. That is a weekly time frame. We had a very strong bearish candle for this ending week, but there is hope. I told many people, I told those my inner circle that whatever they know that they have Bitcoin, when the Bitcoin reached 70,000, I told them to quickly sell their Bitcoins and then wait for another entry. So this is the best analysis you can find. So if you are someone who is willing to buy Bitcoin, I think it's not time yet. It's not time yet. Wait a little bit. Maybe I'm thinking like maybe by tomorrow. Tomorrow going can be the best time to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin will further drop. So if you look at the trend line on top, you can see the trend line on top there. So when it got there, we were fully aware that Bitcoin was going to drop. I told them Bitcoin will drop big. So now this is the price of Bitcoin for now, 58,500. So currently I am projecting around 52,800 or around 50 to 52,000. That is my projection for Bitcoin now. That is my bottom for Bitcoin now. I'm thinking like no matter what it is, Bitcoin must hit at least 52,800, if not 50,000. So let's look at the daily time frame. You can see the weekly time frame. You can see the weekly time frame. You can see I have my two supports here. My two supports here. That is a zone between 50,500 and 52,800. That is where I'm thinking like Bitcoin must come to. That is the right place to buy Bitcoin. I am warning you, wait, don't let anyone deceive you. Wait till Bitcoin gets to 52,800 or 50,000 before you buy Bitcoin. Let's look at the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. So Bitcoin will further fall. You can see when Bitcoin broke the trend line, that was around 66,000. That was around 66,000. So Bitcoin will further drop no matter what it is. Bitcoin must come to at least 52,800. But I'm just looking at it around 50,000. Around 50,000. That is my projection for Bitcoin. If someone tells you that you should buy now, the person is lying to you. So let's look at it. So where are we expecting? So this is a trend line, and Bitcoin has been respecting that trend line for a while now, but many people don't know this. So that is where I'm looking at it. You can see we have a support here. sorry, we have a support here. That is where our support is. I think that is around 56,500. 56,500 is the nearest support that we have. So maybe if Bitcoin comes there may be some need, but upon all that, Bitcoin may delay, it may delay the movement of Bitcoin for a while, but Bitcoin will come to 52,800, if not below, but at least 52,800, Bitcoin will come there. Expect it around that place. Expect Bitcoin around 52,800, so possibly around 53,000. Let's look at it around that place. So this is it. You wait and wait for the better. Wait for the better, or wait for the better. This is PROF.POZO FOREX. This is PROF.POZO FOREX. So let's look at our 4-hour time frame. This is our 4-hour time frame. You can see Bitcoin is so bearish, very bearish, strongly bearish. So don't let anyone deceive you. Don't buy Bitcoin now. Don't just buy Bitcoin. I'm warning you. Bitcoin will still drop. This is my analysis for this week. Target Bitcoin around 52,800. 52,800, if not 50,500. So between 50,500 and 52,800 is a target place for Bitcoin. Thank you. Subscribe and like my analysis. Subscribe, please subscribe for my channel to grow. I am willing to give you the best of analysis, as I always do.